Position the motor so that it is suspended in the air. Remove the 6 screws from the motor. After removing the screws, gently tap the other half on the ground to separate the motor. Take out the motor. Rotate the motor left and right to check for smooth operation. And inspect the gears for any foreign objects. If there are foreign objects in the gears, flip the motor and gently tap it on the ground. To remove the gears and clean them, check again if there are any foreign objects in the internal gears. After inspecting and cleaning, install the gear, making sure to align it with the pin. Install the adjustment shins. Install the motor. There may be gaps when installing the motor. Flip the motor with the wheel and rotate the hub to ensure the motor fits snugly. Align the screw holes. The groove in the screws diagonally.